I'm not sure. So, the next one, I think there was mentioned.
Okay,
There was an email sent that you got as you said, maybe the attorney to approach on yesterday, but the attorney never, logged in.
yeah, I think we were gonna just end up revoking it because he got, yeah. So what's the cause number on that?
It was 2594278.
Mhm. 278? Yes. Hey, can I give you a cause number?
Yes, Judge.
259-4278.
Okay.
I spoke to Marcos about this and the defendant got deported. So we're just gonna end up revoking it because we can't just leave it open indefinitely. So,
Yes, I think he had spoke with state about it.
Yeah, I talked to Chief about it and she said just revoke.
just right. Okay, so 2501. No.
That was it, okay.
Got it. Okay, thanks.
I know Sean should be here. He was talking. She's got a case. So we could be able to-
I can see it. I don't think it's not true to get back in touch. He asked me about my cat and.
Okay. Well, I'll see. He's been to our lesson. Are you?
How is.
Mark,
Hi, Joe. What's up? Do we have any arraignments?
Yes, sir. I thought you were busy.
Yeah, well, I'm done. Yeah, I was writing an email.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Bottom of 2, Alvarez, come on up.
John Garcia. Let's say.
Mr. Alvarez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Okay.
On February 25th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, at 3:24 a.m., officer was dispatched to a traffic hazard, a stalled motor vehicle. Officer observed defendant asleep behind the wheel with the foot on the brakes, the engine on, and the key in the ignition. The officer detected strong odor of alcoholic beverage and glossy red eyes. Defendant advised he was out partying and had 7 cups of whiskey. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted, 6 out of 6 HGN, 4 out of 8 walking turn, and 2 out of 4 one-leg stand. DIC was read and defendant provided a breath sample. Results were 0.101, 0.109.
Does he have any prior to DBIs and does he have a license?
No priors, Your Honor, and his license is eligible.
Mr. Alvarez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I will arrest you. You will go to jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? Yes or no? You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance. You must maintain car insurance. Likewise, if you don't have it, don't drive. That is also a condition of your bond. We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you go to Victoria. Who's your lawyer?
Yeah. Let me see what they brought this year.
Do you guys see any documents filed?
I know.
So let's do this. I'm going to have you sign all the paperwork and then I'm going to have you take a seat. We're going to wait for your lawyer to get here. Do not leave. All right, come on.
Go ahead and sign your reset. All right, Judge, next is top of 15, Matthew.
I think Leslie, they're all that. Easier.
You are Mr. Matthew.
James Smith.
Yeah, sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Okay.
On April 20th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed defendant trespassing in the Harris County Robert Kingsworth Public Law Library after having been previously issued 2 verbal trespass orders and warnings for repeatedly disrupting law library rules of conduct. The 2 prior trespass orders were given on March 27th and March 30th.
All right, Mr. Mr. Matthew, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. The only condition I'm placing on you now is do not go to the law library. This one in particular. Do you understand? What do you not understand?
I would say.
Stop. You're charged with criminal trespass.
That's a fraudulent charge.
Great. That's why we have jury trials. In the interim, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to go back to this place.
Yeah, but it's already for enforcement obligation, I'm to come back to court or else be arrested.
Well, you don't have to come to court, but a warrant will issue. That's
Right?
correct.
So then I'll be arrested. So you are potentially arresting me for fraudulent charge. I was on.
Well, I'm not going to say, hey, wait, hold on. There's always two sides to a story, right? There's your side and then the other person's side. I'm not going to make a decision on what, I just look to see whether there's enough evidence to go forward, and we have a jury determine whether there's enough to convict you or not.
I was arrested de facto on April 20th. De facto, and I was charged with.
Not de facto, you actually were arrested, but not de facto.
And I was charged with failure to identify. I was taken to jail for failure to identify. The DA could not accept my charges for 24 hours, and then all of a sudden.
Hold on.
charges-
Mr. Matthews, you have the right to remain silent. Don't. I can give you a lawyer now, but I have a DA here, two of them. Whatever you say, they're going to try to use against you. Just
That's fine.
now it's not, but it isn't fine. It's not fine. You're only hurting yourself. I'm telling you.
I was not arrested for trespassing. I was arrested for.
He's charged with
failure to-
trespassing, right?
It's a trespass, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was arrested for failure to identify, and I was taken to jail on that failure to identify. The DA could not accept my charges for 24 hours, and then all of a sudden, I was called up in booth 3 up in the jail, and I was tricked into signing a general bond.
That's not a trick. That's to let you out of jail. It's a general order bond.
I was
to let you
given
out.
paperwork, right? And then I was told to sign for a general bond. And then after I signed, I was told it didn't go through, sign again. And that's when I signed a different the same signature, but a different separate attempt. It shows on the paperwork that this is 2 separate times having signed. And the second one is the one for this situation, the cause number situation. And it says on my general bond that I am here for a misdemeanor of criminal trespassing, which I wasn't arrested in. I was arrested for failure to appear, which I didn't fail to failure to identify, which I didn't fail to identify because I did identify.
So, Mr. Matthew, hold on. I wasn't there. I don't know what happened. All I'm telling you is you're not charged with a failure to ID. You're charged with criminal trespass.
Right, and that's a
Okay.
fraudulent charge. And what I'm saying is now you are putting me in a position to be arrested, having been fraudulently charged. Because now you're giving me a court date, which I can miss, and then you will issue a warrant for me based on a fraudulent charge. So that's what I'm saying.
I know that you're saying it's fraudulent, but there's other people that are saying that it's not fraudulent. And there's no meeting of the minds, so that's why we have jury trials, Mr. Matthew.
Again, sir,
I'm not going to dispute this with you. Listen,
what
you're
doing
charged
is-
with criminal. I'm not going to
That's a
debate this
fraudulent
with you.
charge. That's a
Great,
fraudulent charge.
then we will have a jury trial for it, but I'm not going to argue with you. You're charged with criminal trespass. The only thing I'm telling you not to do is don't go back to the law library, to this place where they're alleging the trespass occurred. That's it.
So you're not reasonable, right? Because I'm fraudulently charged in the first place, and now you're putting.
Hey,
further obligations
hold
on
on, hold on.
Whereby I may be arrested if I don't come forth.
Mr. Matthew, how on earth would I know that it's fraudulent?
I'm
How would I
explaining to you
know?
how it's fraudulent.
Am I supposed to take you for your word? Am I supposed to just believe whatever that comes out of your mouth? You could tell me you're the Queen of England. Am I supposed to believe that? You give me the winning lottery numbers. Am I supposed to believe that you got the 6 winning lottery numbers that I'm going to hit $30 freaking million? Am I supposed to just believe? Imagine if every single person that came here, about 1,000 people every other week, am I supposed to believe every single thing that comes out of their mouth? Do you see my point?
I don't have any argument.
This is why I'm telling you, this is a court and we work on evidence. We have people that come testify. We have body cameras. We've got 911 tapes. it works on evidence. And hold on a second. Before anything happens to you here, you will look and you will see absolutely every shred of evidence that they have to prove the case against you. Nothing is going to happen to you until that point. The only thing I'm asking you to do at this point is don't go back to this place and just come back to court. That's all I'm asking you to do.
And that's exactly my point, sir. You're asking me to come back to court, which if I don't, you will issue a warrant for me
Correct.
for my vessel, for my body,
Correct.
not having committed any crime and having been fraudulently charged in the first place. That is a crime against the state.
I think, given what the state has said, that there's enough probable cause to go forward with this case. And that's it. I understand that you think it's fraudulent. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you because you're not going to accept it. You're not going to take anything I'm saying, and that's okay. But I'm not going to sit here and take another hour and a half to try to convince you of this or that. It's just not what I will do for you now. Listen, what I will do for you now. If you want, I can give you a lawyer. You can talk to the lawyer. As long as you stay in communication with the lawyer, I will waive your appearance so you don't have to come to court every single month. And when this person has all of the evidence that state says that they have against you, you guys can meet and you decide on what you want to do. That's it.
Sure.
So literally, all you have to do is stay in telephonic or textual contact with this lawyer. And as long as you do that and stay away from this place, we are all happy. I don't think you can get any easier than that. I mean, all you need now is a damn back rub. Really, it doesn't get any easier than that. Just stay in contact. Don't pick up any new case. Do you understand?
Sure, sir. I will keep in contact with the lawyer that you provided me so I don't have to be present here.
Correct. But when they call you, eventually you might have to come back. So at that point, just be ready because you might have to come back at some point. If they decide to dismiss, then you don't have to come back. But if they don't decide to do that, you may need to come back.
Yes, sir.
Just beware. Do you mind appointing him a lawyer?
Yes, Judge.
Do you mind filing those conditions?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Then sign for your visa date? Yes. All right, and we just have to see the majority on something.
Always know it's good when Ramona comes out here, right?
Well, you got me. Judge, that was the last one for that.
Okay.
The trial case, Judge,
Yeah.
the jury assembly room was called.
Is the defendant here? You check in?
No, Judge.
That's no good. Is it your trial case? You guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Come talk to me.
Okay. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Is there any way to resolve the case?
I think we're kind of at this deadlock situation. I think trial is the only way,
Okay.
but we could get a date. I think that's what we need.
You want to do next week? You guys, you good? Do it next week?
So let me see what they- Can we do, I'm good any Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday.
You would do the 6th then? Are you okay with the
Yes,
6th?
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the 6th. You down?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, done.
Sounds good.
All right.
Will we pick and try it on the sixth?
No, we'll pick it and then start testimony 7. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Sure.
Money.
Judge, you want the defendant to sign the reset, is it meeting?
No, it's okay.
Excuse me, one more question. Are we starting at 9 or?
9, no. We start, yeah. So thanks for being here on time. Yeah. That's upstairs. Damn. Morning, counsel.
Morning, Your Honor.
Just the last name of your client.
Venegas, Vanegas.
Okay.
Venegas.
Jail or a bond?
Bond.
Oh, with a B?
With a, Venegas with a V as in Victor.
Negas.
Okay.
I see it. Okay. You just want to resend?
We just are doing the application for documents.
Ah,
Good question.
okay. Have you spoken to Ramona? Speak to Ramona and back. She's the one that takes care of it, and then I'll grant it for you.
Yes, sir.
Please. Thanks. Clyde,
Morning, Judge.
what's up, bud?
Mohammed Mohibi.
Okay.
We had reset him from last week. Everything had been submitted on the pretrial intervention and the restricted driver's license. You wanted to do everything at the same time. I got an email yesterday from Kenneth Henry that's saying they still haven't approved it or disapproved it.
Please.
It was just sent in this approved.
Say it again.
It was approved.
It was approved now.
Yes.
Great. Has he done TRS?
Yes.
Yes, TRAS is done.
Okay, so we'll give you about 2 weeks.
Okay,
Once he gets the interlock, at that point, I'll grant the license.
okay.
Does he already have the interlock now?
Yeah, it was a condition of bond.
Okay.
He's had it the whole time.
Hey, Ramona, do you have all the paperwork for the occupational?
Judge, I don't know, but I'll let Mr. Burleson know.
Okay, you guys speak at it and let me know.
Okay, yes, Judge.
Yeah, thanks.
Ramona, I'll follow up with you. I think I owe you a driving record, but that's about it.
I don't think he had anything, but
I'll email you.
talk to me in the
everything.
chat.
Yep. Will do.
Okay.
12 through the.
Hey, wait, Clyde, I need to give you a date.
Yep.
How's May 12th through the 14th?
You double check. Sorry.
But it was required.
I'm good on either. 13th is fine.
This year, please be advised.
If it's not all done, yeah. Yeah.
13, you said?
You said 13th?
That works for me.
Okay.
Okay, we got you.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks, Clyde.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey, Mr. Wong, how are you?
I have Mr. Alex. If you tell me how many days it will take. House number, lot number. Idea. House number. 2, 5, 6.
Hey.
3, 0, 1.
Oh, yes.
86.
Just the last name of your client. Zapata, okay. Jail or bond?
Jail, that is the one that was bench warranted, from Liberty. Looks like he has a manufacturer.
Do we know, do they give us any headway? Are they going to give him Zapata?
Eduardo, so.
We tried to bench warrant him back. Sometimes they say yes, sometimes they say no. It's anybody's guess as to,
I don't even see him on docket.
Two six one one 604.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Raggy.
The benchmark was returned. Oh, why?
Like Liberty wants.
What does it say?
No, it wasn't. I think Friday sent another one.
Yeah, why not? You have nothing to lose. Well, we can keep trying until they actually do comply, you know? Maybe they'll just get sick of this and then at some point acquiesce.
That sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you want. I mean,
You know, I'd like when my house is fresh air from the.
Oh, Evie? All right, go ahead and sign it. I'm gonna print it out and just. All right, we're being
hey, good morning. Just the last name. With a G? Okay.
Recommend settings for bond condition.
Okay. Come up, Mr. Gamon.
So now we have.
We will continue conditions as before. He will test twice a week. He will get a GPS monitor. The next time you violate conditions, you will be placed on the trial docket. Do you understand? You're entirely way too much drama for me. The next time you will get an immediate trial setting and you will be put to trial. No more plea bargain offers. Do you understand? Take a seat. All right. Thank you. It's been done. Do you guys talk to anyone about the e-cigarette thing?
I did, so. I thought it was interesting as well, because he doesn't
Ken doesn't want to make a decision about it, whether to dismiss it or not yet. Without talking with other deputy chiefs on the floor and also the sixth floor. See if he makes a decision on it, he doesn't want to be like a policy thing on how it was handled. He wants to see what the rest of the office wants to do with those kind of cases first. So.
Okay, I guess I'll give you guys a week, but at that point, be ready. Just like, I'm either gonna find no PC or, you know,
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay. Do you have a cause number?
Page 6,
Oh.
7, Elder. Well, I don't think this is the first. I didn't see them.
Good morning, Mr. Elder. Sir, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with criminal trespass and terroristic threat. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine on both of those cases. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On April 20th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a disturbance call. On scene, defendant advised he came to the location to speak with his mother, but had been told by hotel staff he was not allowed on the property and was instructed to leave, but failed to do so. Complainant, the manager, advised she had recognized defendant and told him he was not allowed on the property and instructed him to leave. Defendant remained on the property despite multiple directives to leave. Complainant then advised that defendant threatened complainant, stating, quote, "I'll beat your ass," while approaching her. Complainant reported she was in fear of imminent bodily injury. Witness, defendant's mother intervened, telling him to leave. The defendant instead put his hand on her face, pushed her backwards and said, quote, "Call the police. They're gonna have to make you leave because I'm not leaving."
So where is this place?
It's a hotel, Your Honor.
Which hotel?
What's the Briggs Hotel?
Okay. Mr. Elder, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're not to go back to this place and not to have any contact with the complaining witness and the terroristic threat. You understand? If you violate these conditions, I will order your arrest, put you in jail. I will revoke your bond. I'm going to make it high. You know, I don't know who you have in this life that's ready to come to bat for you. But if you violate these conditions, you endanger my community. I can revoke your bond, make it $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. And if you don't have anyone to pony up that kind of money, you'll be stuck like Chuck with me until who knows how long. Do you understand? I'm not asking much. I want my community safe. And it takes one thing, self-control. Do you understand? How old are you, sir? How do you support yourself?
Stuck in my job.
Okay. We will appoint your lawyer today, but I'm telling you, it's thin ice. That ice cracks, your butt's gonna freeze. I'm gonna have you go to Victoria Center Reset, and then I'm gonna have you take a seat in the jury box. I need you to fill out an application for me, and then assuming you qualify, then I'll have you speak to someone here momentarily. Am I giving you an application? So no contact, no weapons, no going back.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, the sign in just a. All right, go ahead.
Hey, go ahead and grant it. Good morning, Mr. Gold.
Morning, Judge, Rick.
Yeah, who you got?
See, the first, John Garcia is, we just found out, he said to get a drug test.
Okay,
We're taking some evidence. If it's negative, I'll just get a reset as possible.
Sure.
Bro.
Yep.
My other is a walk with Deja Bar. You just got to get started in front of you with FSGI.
don't, no, there we go.
I don't see.
Thanks, sir. Do you need a cause number for him, or you got it?
I already informed it.
Okay. Barfield, come up. All right, good morning, Ms. Barfield. Ma'am, you're charged with failure to stop and give information, which is leaving the scene of an accident without exchanging information. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or $2,000 fine. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
On April 11th in Harris County, officer dispatched a two motor vehicle accident. The complaining witness advised he was at a red light on FN 1960 when an unknown motor vehicle collided into his from the rear. Complainant exited his vehicle to check. Sole operator of the other vehicle appeared to be lost and unaware of what happened, exited the motor vehicle, and then got back in and drove away without attempting to provide any insurance or motor vehicle information. Complaining witness found the license plate of that other vehicle left behind, stuck between his rear tailgate and the bumper. Estimated cost to repair was $4,500.
He didn't prove it's her. How do we know it's her?
Then should say. Officer conducted a vehicle inquiry through TCIC and CIC on the plate and return came back registered to the defendant.
Great. How do we know she didn't lend the car out? You still need to prove it's her, though. I mean, did the other driver see her
Yes, sir.
say that's her?
Yes, so the
Did you say that? Did I
other
miss
driver
it?
stepped out, observed the driver of the motor vehicle, exit the vehicle, get back in, and then leave.
They observed her.
From the DINs, that's what my gathering is, yes.
Judge, I'm hearing applicable facts on how the driver identified my client and then confirmed it with the police. I didn't.
Well, yeah, I mean, tell me that he saw Miss Barfield and she's the one that was in the accident and then took off. Right, I get it, it's her car. There's no dispute it's her car, but it could have been, the Wicked Witch of the West that was driving the car.
Right. Okay, Judge. The complainant also was able to identify the driver's license photo return of the defendant who struck his vehicle and fled the scene.
There you go.
Sorry.
Okay. All right. Ms. Barfield, I'm going to find that there's sufficient, I'm just, what's fair is fair.
Absolutely.
Right. Ms. Barfield, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with this person and not to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance. And if you're in your name, if you don't have car insurance, then you are not allowed to drive. You understand? Do you mind filing this condition? Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. If they tell me they cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. No more PR bonds. This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail, it's no more PR bonds. Do you understand? That said, you guys have any requests?
By you saying no more PR bonds, I'm assuming you're granting a PR bond, Your Honor.
Good assumption.
Thank you, Judge. That was
Okay.
my request.
Yeah, so we'll set the bond at $100. I'm gonna grant you a PR bond now, but it's, one, and then another, and then another, and then another. Right? Okay. Okay, so for now, I mean, there's gonna be a while for you to unlock and a lot of paperwork for you to sign. We may have you sign a reset, then we'll have you take a seat in the juror box. So we'll get all the paperwork after that. Once you sign all the documents, at that point you'll be free to go. Okay, thanks.
Right this way.
There are those conditions, it was just.
Yeah, just no contact with the complaining witness, no driving without a license and insurance.
Yes, Judge.
Let's see. There we go. Hey, Tony, what's up, man? How are you?
Got a question.
Just the last name of your client.
There's not on docket. In fact,
You got a cause number for me?
got a 2B warrant. It's 261
261.
4330. Mercado.
Okay.
So Mr. Mercado has a warrant.
Yes, is this person here now?
He's not. And
Okay.
the reason that he's not, I was gonna have him today, but I wanted to see what your honor would consider your bond.
Yeah, of course. I mean,
Philadelphia is not.
sure. Well, it's a second, but yeah.
And it's by the big train.
Yeah, I'm, yeah.
Okay. We'll be here.
I mean, the bond's set at $100 anyways.
Okay.
If he pays it, he gets a 7-day setting, then we'll do PC at that point. Oh, he can just come in, you know, however you choose. So,
All right, it's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
thanks, Tony. Hey, I printed something out over there. Did you get it? Yeah, that's from me.
You said she's made. You're ready for a quick check? Okay.
This is Mr. Spock, you don't have to look at time, so.
You don't have to tell me. We know Mr. Sparks very well. You know, it's unfortunate that Mr. Sparks is just another statistic. You know, at some point, you're going to get it. I hope that you've gotten to know the old timers in jail so you see what it's like. Those people who have been sitting there day after day, year after year, in and out of jail, have not even a pot to piss in, no money to their name. As soon as they get out, they ain't got no game, no money. It's not a great life to live. And here you are, what, 19, in and out, in and out. Now you got a case in another county. I mean, when does it stop? We tried to do everything in our power to try to get you to see, to at least do something worthwhile with your life. Here we are, over and over. You were placed on probation for the unlawful carrying of a weapon. Is it true or untrue that you violated your probation? I'm going to find that it's true. What do we? I see 86 days credit, but what?
Oh, and then should be fine. I have to be a judge. It's 86 days with 86 days credit.
Okay. I'm going to send you to 86 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 86 days that you have done. Any weapon that was confiscated in this case will now be forfeited to the state. You will not get it back. All right, sir. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Vaughn.
Thank you.
Oh, maybe they're designing. We're all. And last one, they told me it was like, well, oh, the, yeah. Jay Hawkins.
Okay, you want to call me?
No, that's fine, I'll look at it. Yeah, just on
Your cook coordinator. It's. Serious third. It's a movie. We're like in a holiday. Feels like we're in a holiday week. We're still in holidays.
Really? Where are they going? You know?
Probably at the beach where we're not. Coronation trial. They're not involved.
Yeah, I mean, this is Monday. Let's see.
Just start it out.
Is everything? No.
That's not been received.
Carlos, that's one of Raphael for this consultant, he got it. There is something. Oh, so we're not going to try to have it. You know, they must have been books. And then I have to wear my flag. I put it to the idea of summer. Oh, okay. Oh, we need to go dance. I like it. Do it.
Hey, what's the help? You're doing.
That's
So you're right.
I'm not sure. But this one.
Appreciate
Wonderful.
Matthew.
You guys already have it on.
After one submission and the whole thing, your next reset date, you would not be still here, just make sure you take contact with your. You print it out.
Very quickly, I said I'm gonna sign out the tax on holiday.
Yeah, okay. Hey, Ally, you ready?
Good morning.
Hey, what's up?
I'm approaching on Darius Morris.
Jail or bond?
Bond.
Oh, that's this gentleman?
No, that.
Someone else.
That's fine.
Okay,
It's a motion to adjudicate. We're just approaching to see if you might have any thoughts as to what you want to do. It's really both.
Yeah.
While we was reported to the union, that tested positive for marijuana, we stopped reporting in 2015. And it's like we found them again in 2023 because we picked up a carbon copy and fell inside leak, and then we stopped reporting again.
can you run an NCIC?
Yes, Judge.
What kind of life has Mr. Morris led?
Yeah.
Since 2014, the only charge you picked up was the failed ID in Johnson County.
What do you think? What are you thinking, Stinking?
I mean, just looking at the motion, he hasn't completed anything.
So what's appropriate? What do you think?
I believe that unfettered would just be a slap on the wrist.
Okay,
I would ask for.
Judge, you would ask for an unfettered.
well, no, he's gonna have to plead true, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, there's a affirmative finding. If he picks up another one, he's looking at the felony offense.
I think that's.
Yeah, so you go ahead and write it up. We'll do, is the Fairy Teddy still open? Do you know? Ally, is it still open?
It's not.
Okay, so just, I guess, do you plead to it?
Yes, Your Honor.
So we'll go on that one. Yeah, okay. All right, sure. Hey,
Good morning.
the problem I have, is I understand the health issues. I get it. But I think truly that he's using that as a means to an end. If you look at the report, it says that the alcohol consumption was not during the time he was in the hospital. It was at the time that he was outside the hospital. So he's still used,
That's the way
that's what she told me yesterday. I had her give the report to you so you could
Right,
see
he was
it.
there for 30 days. It's not his spike.
I get it.
Part of that time he was in there.
Well, yeah. Part of it, sure. But also part of it, alcohol positive was when he was not in the hospital.
I don't reread. I didn't see that.
Give me a second, ask her, she'll tell you,
Okay.
so you can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is, I gave a copy to the state already. That's his, hospital admission bracelet, from when he's there now. He's admitted on
This-
Thursday. And, outside of that, I can get you the discharge paperwork. When you get discharged, that will show the entire period he was there and what's going on. That's a copy of the bracelet, the picture from yesterday showing the board, and then his actual diagnosis is there. In that letter is what that's all about. Now, he also enrolled in an outpatient treatment program. I'm waiting on him to get me some proof. Just to show the court that he is sincere about,
When is the discharge date?
he doesn't have one. He doesn't know.
Because we did the one that's.
Hey, can you do me a favor? I need you to reach out to this hospital to see if he's actually in admittance now. I'd like to know if he's actually in the hospital now. And then, well, no, call the number on the sheet. So we know, please. So there's no, and then I'd like to know when he was admitted, the expected discharge date. And the other question is, when they put swabs, I don't know if perhaps they can put you in touch with a nurse or someone there. When they're using swabs and the gels for putting leads, is that contain alcohol in it? I don't know if they can know that or whatnot. I may reach out to, I don't know if I should, but can you reach out to them to see all that, please? And then also let him, you said that there was also alcohol detected at a time that he was outside of the hospital as well yesterday, right?
So the alcohol was detected from the 19th to the 20th, and the super he gave us that he was in the sleep study from the 17th to the 20th. But we cannot confirm if the alcohol was due to any type of medical intervention or.
I'd like to know. So when you reach out to them, can you figure, do you mind asking? Okay, and then let's regroup later. Yeah, okay. So we'll be on standby for now. We need to know what that discharge date is though. Okay. Okay, thanks.
One
Okay,
more. Okay.
who else?
So Hall.
Okay,
She kind of checked, she made it to the Hair Center. I'm waiting on proof. She told me she is at the Hair Center. I'm waiting on her to get me.
okay. Yeah, usually they will send some kind of proof to someone. Who do they send it to? When we send people to go do those mental health, where they take them to the center, we usually get, I think you guys get some kind of.
Yeah, I'm looking now, Judge, to see, not sure.
Yeah, I guess if you want to maybe roll it, give it some time, maybe a day or so or two.
I'll check that.
Yeah.
Maybe, but email from them right now. There's an issue there, but.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. So, hey, if there's no proof though, no waived appearance though, okay? I'll waive it if there's proof. Okay, hi.
This is Justin Stewart, I think, is there, who just waiting for contract, right?
Kenneth Henry doesn't have a contract, but defense counsel emailed it to him with me at the table.
But I sent it to him, yes, he got it yesterday, but we sent it to him again.
Is everything else but the signed contract?
Where's the signed contract now? You guys have it?
No, I didn't.
Sorry?
I can print it right now, it's not, let me print it, but I.
Where do you have it?
This is my, I have it in my email. but
You want
I-
to email to Kenneth now?
We just did that.
Oh, you
5
did?
minutes ago.
Okay, so I guess let's set it maybe a couple days for you guys to file the supervision order.
Okay.
He's got the interlock, pay the DA fee, right?
All that, everything is.
Okay, so if you want to maybe set it for 2 days, 3 days for them just to get the supervision order and then I'll waive it, his appearance, so you don't have,
I think.
yeah, of course. Hi, Corey. Good morning. What's up?
Trina Morris.
What the hell? These bond violations, man. Okay,
Good news.
Morris.
Ms. Morris doesn't have any bond violation.
Wait, which, okay, just want to reset?
Yes, recess fine, but also ask the court for clarification on the bond condition.
Okay,
The complainant is no longer living at the residence of the marital house. He's in job court and moved to training in Utah. So I just want to make sure that Ms. Morris can go back to her home.
I'm okay with it. They need to verify it though, and then assuming they verify that they say he's gone, and then I guess, do you mind reaching out and then also ask how long are you going to be gone? When you do come back, where are you going? Are you going to go back to this house? Or are you going somewhere else? So we need to know if is it a house or is it an apartment?
It's a house.
Who owns that?
My client and her wife, and then there's 2 children who also live in the house.
Oh, that's right. It's that case. So the partner left?
No, she's still living at home. This is a case my client's alleged.
Yeah.
Right, my client's wife is still living in the house with the other 2 children. My client has been living with her mother, I believe,
Okay.
and since we were.
Yeah.
She's were imposed. Of course, my client would like to get home. She also, misses her son and the complainant in this case would like to speak with him. So also, the court could amend that to threatening harassing.
I don't know. I mean, so,
And to give you a little update, CPS closed the case. They found no reason to believe. My client has also completed a parenting course as instructed by the magistrate.
the complaining witness is the partner.
No, the complaining witness is a child. It's my client's.
How old is and how,
He's 16, turns 17.
Okay.
So,
do you mind reaching out to them to figuring out what his opinion is? Is he okay with it? If so, are there any conditions that he'd like in place? And then let me know.
Yes, sir.
Corey, let's do the writ. Let me figure out what they want and then I honor what complaining witnesses want,
Sure.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, for sure.
It's McLaughlin, NC.
Mr. Perkins,
I'm sending you.
Good morning.
hey, how are you?
Mr. Eduardo Alvarez, have the case numbers you need to use on today's docket, these are the jury books.
Are you signing on to the case?
I've already signed on the
Great.
case. We've got
He's
recess.
with you. I don't need him.
The question though is, he wants to travel in May to Mexico where his father's, is it the funeral or something related to his burial? And that's on May, pretrial said, I should approach you.
Yeah, I'm okay with the travel, but just advise him not to use. He's gonna get tested as soon as he gets back. If he does, then,
Needs anything in writing?
no, just let her know, just so that they don't call him while he's gone, but let him know as soon as he gets back, he's getting tested.
Yeah. And
Not
I'll let
to
him
use.
know to let pretrial know.
Yeah,
And is he free to leave the?
well, he needs to sign conditions first. But yes, yeah, he's free. He can go with you. Yeah, he's not free to leave yet.
Thank you.
Ready? Hi, good morning. Come on.
I'm here on Timothy Williams.
Okay.
I was going to the approach with the age of the case, the DWI.
Yeah, you're at 180 days.
Right. So we're still waiting on a top report. And an offer.
There was, so, these HOSC have tested the blood and then they said they're doing additional tests. We haven't got anything back yet. I just emailed them right now to get an update on it.
And they got the blood alcohol content back, it's, I think, 0.0 or something like that, so there was no alcohol.
Yeah, that's why they usually send to the talks, but my problem is, did you just now send it to the talks? Or when did you send it?
I sent an email today.
I know you sent an email, but when did you send the blood to the talks place? Because that usually takes another 6 months.
So the tox report we have said that the sample has an additional request for toxicology that has removed. So they have the blood.
Yeah, but, so, Farwell, they get the blood, they put it in line. The problem is that it'll take 4, maybe 5, maybe 6 months, maybe 2 months to test the blood to see if there's anything else in the blood. But you get in line at the date that you send it. So if you sent the blood yesterday and this case is 170 days old, I'm gonna have a problem with that. Because I'm not gonna wait another 6 months for this thing to play out. So if you sent the blood maybe like at 130 days or 120 days or, then that's more workable.
I'm not sure when the request was sent.
Should be documented somewhere. They document everything.
What we have on the toxicology report was that the sample has an additional request. I have to look into when that additional request. was
Okay,
sent.
so I guess we'll set it a week, put an offer on the case. I don't know if you guys are interested in a PTI. If you are, you need to get everything done now,
So,
because I'm not gonna sit here and wait also
right,
to wait. Okay, well, now we're at 200 days. Now we want to do, huh?
he's done a PCI before.
Oh, so he's not eligible for
Right.
PTI.
so
Okay,
that's
got
why we
it.
had to file.
All right, so put another offer in.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll reconvene in a week.
Okay.
In a week. If you don't have it, then you better have some answers, but I'm not gonna just hold it for the next couple months just for the sake of holding it.
Yeah.
So, all right.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Maybe it's you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, I always.
Hi,
Mayor Pro Tem.
good morning.
Good morning.
What's up?
So I have, I'm not on your docket today.
What's your cause?
I'm sorry?
What's your cause number?
Oh, the cousin?
Please.
2527313. You are.
Okay,
So his curfew is, he's working a night shift, switching into the day shift. I sent an email that he received from his.
great. That's even better news.
Yes, so.
Yeah, because I don't want him out in the middle of the night at all. Yeah,
Yes, Your Honor, we would like to switch it to from 8 p.m. to 10:30 a.m. So that we can get a workout on time.
so what are the new work hours?
6 to 6.
6 in the morning to 6 at night.
Yes, Your Honor.
Great.
But he would have to leave by 4:30 in the morning to get to work.
I don't know. And I'm tell you what, I've been holding this case for now. What happened upstairs yesterday? You guys had court yesterday upstairs, right?
I did not handle that, Your Honor.
Yeah.
But it is, I'm just moving this.
And then what time to be at bed? What time to be home?
By 8 p.m., Your Honor. That way there would be no violations, just not for traffic,
How long does it take him to get there?
about an hour.
So if he needs to be there at 6 in the morning, why 4:30?
To account for traffic, Your Honor.
At 4:30 in the morning?
Go ahead and sign for your.
No, I've had a lot of issues with this gentleman, and I'm not giving it any more leeway than necessary. If you look to see all within the last 2 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they're all violent, dangerous cases. I don't want him out in the middle of the night at all. I don't want him, so, we'll give you 5 in the morning until 8 PM. He's got to be home at 8 PM. And then only on the days of work. It doesn't include Saturdays. It doesn't include Sundays. So just the days that he's working, and we need proof of his actual schedule so we know what the work schedule is, because I'm not giving it to him every day.
Right, so he does work for weekends.
Well, we need proof that he's actually on a schedule, that there's proof that he's actually working. I'm not going to take his word for it. So he needs to provide us his work schedule so we can see it, and then we'll do it.
So as of now, everything's from 5 AM. to-
Not until he provides us his work schedule. I want to see the work schedule so we can know exactly what
Okay,
and when.
so he was supposed to be at work yesterday, Your Honor, and he missed work because of conditions were signed, and he's also going to work today. And if he has to go back after.
Where is he now?
He's at his.
Okay, so tell him to get on the phone, get his work schedule. He's here, get the work schedule. Get your work schedule and then we'll tweak it, but I'm not gonna take your word for anything.
They want to send me the dispatch, which says that I'm only working on days. It don't really says that I'm working 7, 12, because that's what we usually work with on main.
I'm not giving you this 7 days a week. I'm not giving it to you. It's not gonna happen. I don't know, unless you provide me some kind of proof that you're actually doing that kind of work 7 days a week. What? You want me to believe that you're working 7 days a week, 12 hours a day, and that you don't rest. I don't believe it.
We're working 13 and 1, which is 13 days straight and then 1 day off.
In this world, you are only as good as the proof that you have. I'm not going to take your word for it. You have I'm not giving you any leeway, Mr. Garcia Ibarra. Do you understand? You want something? Give me proof. It's not you. I get a lot of people that come in, they don't see all the things that we have with certain individuals, the history, the bond violations, this, that. And so we're at a stage now where if he wants anything, I need proof. This is now with just us in the last year and a half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th case. And they're all dangerous cases. So give me proof and then we'll talk. But I'm not going to take your word for it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
please. Yes, ma'am. Abel,
Good morning, guys.
hey,
Mr. Last traffic.
with an L?
Okay. He's on probation and picked up a theft.
Is he in jail?
Yes, sir. For a reason.
Oh, Lestrade.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Lestrade.
Now,
I saw this yesterday. He picked up a robbery?
they say.
What? What happened?
It's so nice.
Give a cost number, I'm sorry, Judge.
Yeah, it's 258-3283.
Michael Jackson said it's on lines. I've seen that name.
I have not heard good things about Michael.
Oh,
The
the movie, no.
movie, yeah. It's like very one-sided. I want to go see it and I have high hopes, you know? Is it good? You saw it?
Yes.
Is it good? Yeah.
So.
It's like the daughter. The daughter's like,
Yeah.
yeah, who's got to bring it like that, you know?
Abel's closing argument.
Right, that's right.
Stay for you, Judge.
So what happened, that's right. What happened on the robbery?
Robbery.
And it's, Abel, the thing is, it's all the same thing over and over and over. If you look at all of them, it's the same thing, literally repeated. It's like Groundhog Day.
took a bag of charcoal from the Family Dollar and then struck the witness with it, and punched him.
With the bag of charcoal.
And then punched him in the chest with a close.
So usually it's the Walgreens where I mean, we've had the last like 4, 5, 6 thefts have been Walgreens. What do you want to do? I mean,
Having been reporting, he wasn't living with his sister, we gave him the electronic monitoring.
we have literally bent over backwards to try to get him to straighten up, and we have found a place for with his sister would take him in, put a monitor, you know.
And he wasn't reporting to the probation officer when he was giving them excuses. He did test positive for cocaine and alcohol.
What?
And he really started from that today.
Okay, in the theft, is there any restitution? I mean, I guess it's just doesn't.
It's $10. Don't believe it's.
What do you want to do, Abel?
Good, I just wanted to, I'd like to recess.
Yeah, okay, yeah, oh, obviously, okay.
Look at it.
It's not gonna be pretty though.
Can't imagine it's gonna.
Yeah.
We'll see.
But then upstairs, maybe. Okay. Whatever you need, buddy.
Thank you.
Hi, Mark.
Good morning.
Come on up. Good morning.
I'm not sure that I'm allowed to approach because this is Dave Him's case, it's a deep duplicate.
Yeah, let me call Dave. Hold on.
No.
Am I waiting? No.
Are you ready?
Oh, ready, yeah. Hey, hey. No, Mark, I think needs me. Ash. To what? Okay, all right. Bye. He's gonna call you. All right, Mr. Morris. You were placed on probation. It was a deferred, right? You were placed on a deferred for a assault of a family member. You know, this was a great deal. If you would have completed successfully, no conviction on your record. Now you will end up with a conviction. And Mr. Morris, the really kicker in this case is that there is now an affirmative finding of family violence, meaning that if you ever pick up another one of these cases, you will be looking at a 3rd-degree felony up to 10 years in prison. You can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this plea as well. Do you understand? Is it true or untrue that you violate your probation? I'm going to find that it's true. I'm going to sentence you to 4 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 4 days that you have done. Like I said, there's an affirmative finding of family violence. You pick up another assault like this, it's a lot of time. All right. Good luck. Thanks. Thanks, Alan.
You can come over here, Mr. Morris. Mr. Morris, you can talk to him in a minute. You can look for the rest of the mentions on this. You can go ahead and shoot them.
Morning, Judge. I'm on Zoom whenever you get a chance.
Hey, Marco. I forgot about you. Sorry.
That's all right.
Let me see. Hold on. You got Spalding.
Yes, sir. So it looks like there's a time served offer plea on him. He's there today. I was going to try to roll it, but that didn't work out. Can I have somebody stand in for the plea and have to do the paperwork and I can sign on my end?
Is Mr. Spalding here?
Oh, yes, sir. He's there. And he wants to resolve it today, which I don't blame him, I guess.
He is not checked in.
I talked to him. He's definitely there. I don't know why he hasn't checked in, Judge.
Do you have an offer in this case?
Yes, sir.
When are you going to be here again, Marco?
Tomorrow.
Then let's roll to tomorrow if he's here. Because this case is over 200 days old and we've given you guys since March.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry about today, Judge.
Don't,
know
don't worry
he's-
about it.
I know
But
he's
if
there. I
if
talked
he's
to him.
here, we'll roll it. If he's not here, I'm revoking his bond.
Okay, Judge. I'll make sure.
So
he
give
gets
me
in
a
there.
second. Let me see. They're outside looking. Bear with me 1 second. And I'll tell you. No, he's not here. No, he's not here, man.
I talked to him this morning, Judge. Let me find him. I have to check in with you, okay? Or check in with the coordinator. Is that all right, Judge? I know
Say it
he's there.
again.
I said, let me find him and have him check in with the coordinator. Is
Okay.
that okay with
But
you?
if he's not here by the end of docket, I'm revoking his bond, Marco. Okay.
Yes, sir. I understand that.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right. Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna go to court 10. Oh, yeah. I think I did. Yeah, everything is signed.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Judge Abel has a plea on Luna.
Where is he? Is he in back? You want to see? You want us to do it before I go?
Ready? Oh.
Are you ready? I'm about to leave.
I just needed them.
They need your number, please. No.
You're right.
The weapon is being forfeited. Mr. Luna, you're charged with carrying unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 6 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you have done. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you're not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. You understand? Is this what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you plead to the offense of unlawful carrying of a weapon? I'm going to find you guilty. This will now reflect as a conviction on your record, Mr. Luna. What we're doing today, it's now a minimum of 90 days in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
The weapon will be forfeited. You will not get it back. Good luck to you, sir. Please see the clerk. Thanks.
Barfield.
No, it's like. Okay, first one, so true, like.
So I'll just leave it.
Okay.
Hey, Mark, are you good? You good?
Well,
What's up, Mr. Gall?
I'm approaching a John Garcia.
Okay.
Trying to take a drug test. We just signed on. About a week ago, you told him not to smoking or marijuana, he stopped smoking marijuana. It takes some time for the levels to go down, he's habitual smoker.
What's the last name?
John Garcia?
See, any tested presented positive for keys. You're pretty.
We put the conditions on him on 4/21. This is correct. We will give him 40 days. At the 40-day mark, he'll be tested again. If he tests positive at that time, it's not going to go well. So don't tell him not to use at all.
Your Honor, would we see the levels? Because I've seen times where some people's bodies over 90 days.
Great. I'm not gonna wait 90 days. He's gonna be tested. You don't use. Tell him not to use.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right.
Have you seen?
Yeah. Mark Ash,
Yeah.
what's up?
The day is coming over and.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't think about a while. We want to start, I'll let you.
So.
Okay. Oh, really? Oh, was it made?
No problem. That's the day you that thing.
How many cases were said? 40
And that Sunday, the point one.
Hey, I gotta run to court 10.
Should I tell them to go?
What are you trying to do?
Before you come here?
No, I think she's like some that.
Okay.
Do you want to follow up the time?
John Garcia?
All right. Who is it? Who is it? I'll talk to Mark. Okay. Hey, I need someone brought out, if you don't mind. Who is it, Mark?
Hudson, H-U-T.
Can you bring out Hudson, please?
Same every day, you may.
Oh.
You spend periods, he's.
Yes. Veronica, were you done with that? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna give you your reset. Do you have anybody else? I'm just waiting. Oh, that's it. You want to talk some? Yeah. And just let them on is waiting.
Have we talked to Mr. Hudson before?
I don't think so. I don't think we've ever go to.
Good morning, Mr. Hudson. Tell me why we're.
We approaching this, Mr. Hudson wants a bond on this case.
I want a bond for Minnesota. I'm trying to see if you can give me a bond for Minnesota.
Mr. Hudson, I don't know. It depends on what kind of case you're charged with. It depends on what kind of criminal history you have. Everybody wants something in this life. Just because they want it doesn't mean they're going to get it. You know, I have a number of factors. And let me tell you, there's a lot of dangerous people on our streets. There's a lot of death. There's a lot of just everything. And I certainly just don't want to add to it. You know what I mean? So I have to see who you are, what you're charged with, how many priors do you have, if any, and then we'll go from there to decide whether to set you a bond. I don't have to set you a bond. You're wanted out of another jurisdiction. So we'll see.
Your Honor, he's wanted out of Anoka County, Minnesota, first-degree aggravated battery. State would be opposed to a bond. He has 11 pages of criminal history outside of the ones from the local jurisdiction he recently had in evading detention dismissed on December 24, 2025 to use as punishment evidence for the conviction of a felon possession of a weapon that was reduced to an attempted possession of a firearm by a felon. He also has recent history of theft aggregate that was dismissed pursuant to another case for a burglary of a building that was convicted in 2024 commit theft. Typically, I wouldn't bring up juvenile history, but for the fact that he is 20 and it's very recent, he was convicted, or no, he was charged with engaging organized criminal activity out of San Marcos, and he has an open charge of burglary of vehicles out of Corpus Christi. So state would be very opposed to a bond. He's a definition of a flight because he was literally charged with evading.
I don't have anything to answer. I didn't even know about the open case in Corpus Christi. I'm assuming that Corpus Christi will pick them up or they.
No, they didn't put a warrant hold. Just because it's open doesn't mean they have a warrant.
Okay, but that's because otherwise I wouldn't have, I would have said that he should be, that he would be sent to Corpus Christi before.
Do you see why I said what I said? How old is Mr.?
He's 20.
You were 20 years old. And by age 20, you have 11 pages of criminal history. Mr. Hudson, you're wanted for a first-degree battery. You have an open, unlawful use of a motor vehicle in another county here, or burglary of a motor vehicle. You have here, just in Harris County, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've had 5 cases and you're only 20 years old. I do not think it's probably a good idea to give you a bond because, quite frankly, you scare me, Mr. Hudson. You're 20 years old and it's case after case after case. You understand? At some point, we got to say when, because you know the thing is, why do we have jails? Mr. Hudson, why do we have jails? Yes. Why else? To get you to see what's been happening is not a good thing. You're either going to end up with a 40-year sentence or dead. You live in Houston. I mean, I don't know where you live, but you're in Houston. You pick a fight with the wrong person, they're going to shoot your ass dead. Maybe this is a good place. Because, I mean, really, you understand? It's not, I can't possibly set you a bond, Mr. Hudson. Thanks.
I just want to let the court know and they know that we have reset 513 for him for Minnesota to pick him up. And I assume that Minnesota would probably.
Have they indicated that they, so Minnesota wants you, they're going to come get you. 11 pages at 20 years old. Okay, thanks, guys.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Hey, Ms. Hudson, I'm about to take off.
260.
Okay.
5866.
Okay. Yes.
Approaching on bond position, currently have a scrambled device, and she's requesting for that scrambled device to be removed into, the job. He's a forklift operator, and right now he's wearing steel toe tennis shoes, but his boss is requiring him to get actual steel toe boots.
Okay.
And so it.
Why do we put the scram on?
Can I get a copy?
Yeah, it's 2605-866.
This is Brian.
Holland, yeah.
It's a DWI. He has a prior from 2021.
Okay. Anything else?
He had 2 empty vodka bottles in the passenger seat. He
You can, yeah.
Drove through 3 yards, hit a mailbox and stopped on the flower bed, almost.
No, I need proof other than his word. I don't take anybody's word anymore for anything. I'm not gonna just, okay, no. Bring me proof and then we'll talk, but at this point, it's a no. Yeah.
And I have another form here, so that you have to do this, you swear and open or not operate a motor vehicle that about its driver's license. Oh, we're thinking, but it's pretty good. Markups? Is discovery of the date provided with an answer? No. You're just supposed to find it out. Okay. How is 16, wave the hands, time to the. Okay. That is. Hey, Ryan's ready? Is everything?
What we're doing.
Oh, eso es todo. Ya terminó con los otros. Hola. Yo sé. Are you helping today?
No, I did for one.
Okay, you have something else.
I'm long. I'm not sure send that.
That's good. Judge. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, that's it. The defense and. Like one of those like we already agreed on the date and actually possibly like something.
Yeah, I just put it in before.
So you can see tells now.
There's a second one.
On the cost.
Yeah, we have jobs.
Look, I'm so sorry, Mark. Not really. All right, well, we're going
So. Just want to see if you guys had just. Does not. Yes. You got stuff on the. Yeah. It was awful. But yeah, I'm going to assume it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, the Boston, yes. No time. All right, yes, ma'am. Well, okay, it's just very, schedule, my son. He didn't make it up. It's the word. It's not. Big cake. This one. Yeah, this is a lot of slides. This are probably. Just looking about the street. As we have other instructions for us. All right. Your body's seven, we're gonna be pain. All right, I'll bring to the side to get to the flip. Yeah, I'm not very great. You know, walk in.
No, I'm late, so, okay.
But you know, your opposite's always the solution.
No, that's how you can, yeah, because I did that once and, tomorrow, took me off.
Oh, that's his full name. I'll just refer to the dog face because he had, yeah, they didn't know. Because he asked me. Yeah.
I mean, right, so I mean, that.
Here, I'm just.
But yeah, I'll come back. So they can watch it.
You said she had been. So, I called her again, just to if she was not good. She said, "Well, I'm gonna do a chance like you." She's been waiting so long. Your fault, we don't have to take it off. That's all. So it's not. Like, that's 24/7, and like, you know, all the. So it's not bad.
Thank you.
It's a one probation right now. I will do that. It's on.
Yeah, she's going in. No, come from the state. They don't come from the signs of.
He has an accident.
When they got a new code. So. And second year, it's also in 3 years. Last year, but that's usually about 7. Oh, 3 years.
I want to talk to you.
Yeah, it's all up to the. And he. They.
Oh, no, the back, it is clear, so to make you live.
I'll come back and street talk for a little bit. They're not good.
You know those? I love, they have a lady here. Wow, oh, my friend, she said they get her like, do the, and then how to do. And that's the only one that I'm like, but now it's something that smells like a lot of baby. Yeah, you wanna use that one? No? What if you moved it? It doesn't fall? It's days. Well,
Have you been working for this one? For all night or what's his name?
Who is it?
RTD. And I guess.
He hasn't had a day.
Then I have to know, okay.
Okay, it was just, it about to be done. Okay. The long. Oh, yeah, yeah. And it was these conditions. And start the coaching coach with Jimmy on that experience. I can't do. He's coaching coach, so he's Q2. So Q2 and he, what's the next step?
It looks like, you got an email from Kenneth Henry at the time this morning with, like 15 next steps. Just.
Find the bags,
Just usually gives you under through, gives you, I want to do this, and then when you get the email from China that you, there's a file contract and super, you know, do these file, that's what files. I believe so. All the communication devices thing. Which you'll probably need a scanned copy of that contract.
Calendar. I'm not sure, I'm gonna have these some clear bond conditions and then you're gonna. Okay.
Do all the steps that the DA could do.
Okay, who was it again?
The limits for the meeting.
How is May 20? You want permissions along with your next study date, you do not have to. If you can stay constant. The 27th. So please take out because you will always take it and if you guys have to. Will have the same date on it, so I'll just put away those emails that will follow the instructions. Okay, right? Do you want to come on to sign this report?
Okay, Archimedes. Archimedes.
So if they don't file this supervision order, then shoot the file the case with file it.
Okay. Vamos a regresar para el último 28 de mayo. Aproximado para este.
Los files just.
Y el 28 de mayo, a lo mejor van a cancelar, porque todo ya para poder sacamos para que
I feel like some still 3.
Yes.
You're
in Judge.
Yes.
You know, if I didn't support Thomas. I'm still the name on case first, and I really hope that she would put her Alvarado, case number 1. She didn't put her website, her email address on her order pointing her as Henry's breakfast. I could email it.
Oh, shoot, I'm not.
Yeah. situated in there. He said he did for last time.
Okay, I have her email address already. Sarah, we need to reach out today. Oh, this day.
Or he did,
Okay.
and I just want to let you know it's on me.
Okay, what's the date? Who will tell you?
Yeah.
Okay, he'll just email it to me later. The email address is ST. S Thompson. Legal. At.
Yes. Legal.
Outlook.com. I have the phone, try calling.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead and file these or will he want to stand? Wait, they want.
I mean, you can file it and see the personal assignments and everything. He's not for 10 right now, but he's right back. You can just try.
Yes. File these for two. His motion for substitution is benefit.
Yes, thank you. Okay. You saw it?
I'll be back. No, that's how I'm doing. I'll put the contract report if you sign it.
Oh, so sorry, yeah, that was good. I don't know, I don't do enough, I have nothing with those states. That's what helps.
Yes, we now last year.
Okay, is everything?
Everything is in, second offer. Class. Or. Next two days.
So 1 class in 4 hours or 2 classes?
No, one class.
All right, how is training on the 30th?
What's the 23rd?
On 3, it'll be a wage account. He should. Well, I can start, I didn't. You met kind of stuff. You didn't see. Yeah, and I think that. How many. This guy. Thank you. Dang, you're all like.
But I think it's always.
Well, that's amazing. That's a lot of years. Work out.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Hey, Victoria, Mr. Campbell, yeah, he's coming back. Oh, perfect. Big word, someone say. Okay. It was like last month. He sent it out. Thanks. But it was also. She said that I'm going to be found by them, so she's like something that I can know.
Okay, then I just follow me, you can start with this would be followed for anything.
Yeah, I really found the opposite, because I can't.
I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna do this. No. But I can read those people because I am looking.
So I told him, but I think we're. Well, that's something else. No, you just came to chance.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Tell us, so we all can. You know, why do you know?
Background. Yeah. It can be up to that easy one.
Here.
Yeah. Before we start, yeah, there's no. Yeah, it's going to strength from the 16 and no. It's being up to.
Interesting.
There you go. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna see it.
Any good?
No, it's good, but.
Oh, yes.
Tell me when I'm being sure.
They provide you with an honor? What was it? 6 months with her.
Yeah, it's time to get me. When I show that, I just don't know that yet, it's only getting transferred.
All right, wait the thing.
16 of me.
Well, I was to say.
Well, I haven't got a call or anything. They usually call you and let you know, hey, are you still interested in this? I know, right?
That's what. You've been in there. Hey, look at that. I report too.
Should be able to let it back.
Not too many, I think maybe like 6. Well, all the recess now. They turned me on the first day bar, one of the first, if you gotta, so which, the secret bar, that was the one that, I got some of the huge, yes, for work, yeah. The judge is helping to 10, if she sent you the schedule, is it spoken to? Okay. Hey, Sean,
Yes, ma'am.
for Gideon, what
Yep.
did you offer?
GUILLEN.
Yeah,
It's a 6-month preferred with classes.
6 months deferred and classes.
Street racing pills, RUAs, no trims. This is an offer from Bernadette.
Oh, I was just curious.
10 hours community service.
Offer them that street racing field sports, they're gonna let them go anywhere to do that. The street racing field sports, it's like online, but they.
They give us a certificate of a
Yeah.
picture of the.
Brianna, yes, he doesn't have to, reach out because the counsel for the strap pled the defendant to the deferred, so.
Oh, we automatically take them out, okay,
Yeah.
got it, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay,
I should have looked into that.
no worries. But the other one, I'll look at Smith Torres, I don't know about them.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Oh, okay.
That's fine. That's pretty high.
And then you do that, I'll choose it. That would be clean. Without it. Oh, you said.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, I don't, you don't have the budget.
I feel like you're still juicing. Oh, you don't both. No. I assumed that was the reason you were here.
Oh.
It's spicy because. Oh. What about?
Hey, Sean. So you said you want to come back in here?
I was looking for some.
Me?
Say this.
See you, Sean.
Yeah.
I really want to hear that actual is. Are you serious right now? You just that. I did. I had to add problems to the date. First eligible date. Look. We can do it with you because I didn't want to spend 5 minutes on a phone call. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13. So is the one today, the 20? First eligible date. Today's not even. Today is the first date that they're eligible. Okay, so why is it? 7, 14, so I was just 2 meetings here. This week it's 7. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm counting today as the first eligible. It's been like this for at least the 3 years I've been here, and like the 30 years that Brian was here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The first day for you is the 20th. It's interesting to see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're starting from. Counting today's eligibility date, it's 51 days from today. So today is the first day that they're eligible. That's why when you say I'm not counting, it's a mislead because they are eligible today. So 14 plus 1 from today. Because if I don't
I'll take the regular one.
then it's called eligibility.
Not that. Okay.
So from today, it's 14 plus 1.
Okay, so the 27th, he wasn't able to do yesterday.
He wasn't.
One of his.
Concluded today, yesterday, so today's a pretty eligible date with no holds. Legally, it had a hold up until it was discarded yesterday, which makes today the first eligible day with no holds.
I see what you're keeping the addiction. He's the judge in the middle of the help of Tuesday.
Okay, so when it's intrastate, when it's county to county, it is 10 days. When it's out of state, have 30 days. Obviously, I'm not fighting on all of them because otherwise we would never leave. So I'm not gonna obviously take legal advice from someone who doesn't understand.
No, I just, one last thing I told you, just said.
So intrastate, legally, they have 10 days, and then it's not just a release, they get a PR, different part of the future. And then for out of state, we have 30 days. For federal holds, there's effectively no days in the state compact. And then international extradition is a whole different. So again, I'm not gonna just try to have him teach me fugitive law. I just.
I'm asking you, because I won't go tell them.
Okay.
So I'm making it.
Yep.
So making this May 15th.
May 13th.
Okay. Okay, see you.
Thank you.
So.
Oh, wow, my bad. You should have heard that. Oh.
Who said that? She said that. I don't know, are they turkey? They're new variety of different things. There's one thing I'm looking at. Oh, later? Oh, it's not like they don't. Oh, okay. I'm nibbling that.
There is a TVA. Pretty big in on the product.
Especially that, all that, it's giving me relief. Yeah, that's true, I figured that too. You're welcome. It sure is. I learned because usually I would. When things that put you still that it's like. No, it's like, no, I can't really taste it.
That's true. There's two dollars.
Cause I have like a it's so sweet and salty and spicy. You know what? Well, they do, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. But that's. She's. It's not, in my opinion, but I. You think that's cute? No, it's not. I thought, I think I know. She involved in her relationship. And some of the people from all over the world, for those of them who should. Yeah, so I was thinking. I would like to tell you, I don't know if you have some. I really. I want to just.
I know it's only that, yes, pretty.
Yes, it was taken in yesterday. Or. Yeah. What's your question?
But does he, do something need to have a, building?
It's up to you if you want to reapproach and see if judge what changes on, or if you can restart.
I agree.
Okay, I understand. This is in May 13th.
That was.
All right, oh, you can. Oh, no. She's already. Is your birthday? Is your girl's birthday? Oh, it's his birthday. Well, it's Friday. Oh, Joe, man.
Yeah. Tell me, what you got?
So we have an email that, dictates that he or she will be working 7 days a week for 12 hours, things like that.
You have an email.
Yes, I've already.
From the company that is working with
Great. Is there a phone number so that she can call to?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so let's do that. So call, verify, talk to the person, make sure that it's
Hello, how are you?
legitimate, and then we'll go from there. I need to know how often he's working. Is he working every day? What days does he have a day off? So that we can, if they're working that much, there has to be a day off at some point. What is that day off? And then we'll tweak the schedule to there. And I'm ready to put this baby to bed. I'm not going to hang out. It's just way too much trouble for me. So tell George that we'll set it do you know what the felony court date is, guys?
The 13, Your Honor.
Of what?
Right.
Okay, we will set this case for the following day, and we're gonna have a hearing on that day on the motion to revoke here, okay? I'm not holding it anymore. We've held it for so long as it is, and I'm ready to put this baby to bed. So, just, I guess, do that, Veronica, and then we'll go from there.
Thank you.
Okay, so set it for the 14th. Garcia Ibarra, and can you also be ready for a hearing? Can you be ready for a hearing? Or whoever's case this is, just with witnesses, Garcia Ibarra, be ready if we have to go to an MRP. Okay, thanks. Okay, Owen, what's up?
Matt, Judge, I'm here on this Alvarado. We're in a kind of position. Mr. Alvarado has hired me. He currently has a MAC appointed attorney. I didn't know that. I prepared some motions for substitution last night. I called the MAC attorney, Ms. Thomas, last night. She has not responded to me. The defendant indicates that he called her this morning, so I'm sure she knows that I'm taking the cases over. I have filed the motion.
Okay, but you want to take over the
I do.
cases? Okay, great. So let me hold it until you get confirmation, and then then we'll do it for you. Okay?
She's given me an email now, so I can email.
Okay,
Ms.
good.
Thomas.
Yeah, all right. Okay,
So resend it, or how do you want?
no, I mean, I can't. You're not on the case. I can't do anything until you're on the case. So have you spoken to the lawyer on this case yet?
I've emailed the attorney. I'm gonna reach out to the resource officer to make
Yeah.
contact.
Okay.
Right.
All right, Zoe,
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
what's up, bud?
Nothing much. My client has turned in everything. I just need to send it over to
Who is it?
prosecutor for Chelsea Edwards. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Chelsea Edwards. I just need to send it over, but we have all our PTI stuff ready. And I just need
Okay,
to send it over.
so you're gonna send it in today, right?
Today is going to be sent,
Has she
everything.
has she done a TRAS yet?
She has not done the TRAS yet.
Okay, let's set it a week to give them time to accept or deny. If they accept it, she's got to be here to do a TRAS. If they have not said anything, then I'll waive it. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, hold on, let me get your date.
Okay.
Top of page 6.
Oh, what are we doing with that one?
He's turning in the application and everything today for PTI. So it's to wait acceptance or denial.
Which time, 1 week?
1 week, yeah.
The House, May 5 to the 7th.
May 5th to the 7th, you pick.
We'll do May 5th.
Okay, May 5th. Okay, man, have fun.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
All right.
No, I'm totally fine. Like, love it, love it, love it. Can I ask why?